one, here we introduce the 65-inch CapTouch screen, and this is CapTouch with support 20 points, and it is support 4K, and also here with camera 8 million and with microphone. Here inside with a power button, you can suggest to connect with choose each one you want. And inside here, you can see the USB, 2 USB and RS232 output to connect with which other machine you want to. Okay, let me show you the home page. Here you can connect with the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and hotspot network. And you can adjust the brightness, and the sound directly. Here is the micro software. It maybe can be the meeting or some applications, and also support the changing touch. Then we back with the home with the projections. Connect with your computer or your tablet or your phone to mirror city screen. And here is a more apps regularly used with the countdown and the GPS and the camera. Here is the camera function showing. Hello. Okay. And here we have support with the custom service. First, here the screen we support with IR touch or CAD touch support, and the systems we support with Android system or Windows system optional. And here the output we also support to customize with anyone others you want to add the output here. For now, and the cameras we support for 8 million or 20 million and 20 million camera. Okay, here's the final we support this one. This one is with anti-glare glasses, and you also can choose other glasses options.